Today we have Miss Monica Suthar, who is an expert in UK student visa. She has an experience of over a decade, and we are so pleased to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Every country teaches so differently, but especially when we talk about the UK, can you give a little insight into UK's education system?
Absolutely. The UK education system is known for its quality, flexibility, and it focus on real world skills. एक बड़ा एडवांटेज जो है स्टूडेंट को मिलता है वो है शॉर्टर कोर्स ड्यूरेशन. अंडर ग्रेजुएट डिग्रीज जो है 3 साल की, मास्टर्स डिग्री 1 ईयर की. योर स्टूडेंट सेव्स बोथ टाइम एंड मनी. Despite of having shorter course duration in UK, they are more focused on the quality of education. The teaching style, if I talk about the teaching style of UK universities, it's not just about theoretical learning. Students here gets chance, they are encouraged to think independently, do research and apply whatever they learn. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को सिलेक्ट करने का एक मौका मिलता है अपना खुद का मॉड्यूल्स based on their career goals. So whatever the course they really fit into, they can tailor the modules accordingly. So this is something again a very great thing which UK universities provide to their students. Apart from this, many universities in UK, they offer internships, placements and the life projects as part of the program. So meanwhile जब आपका स्टडी ख़त्म होने आया है तो आपके पास सिर्फ एक डिग्री ही नहीं है, यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस टू. तो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस जब आपने आपके कोर्स का एक करिकुलम का एक पार्ट था, आपने उसी दौरान आपने एक्सपीरियंस गेन करा है. तो आफ्टर द कोर्स कंप्लीशन वंस यू हैव बीन अवॉर्डेड विद द डिग्री, तो जब आप रियल लाइफ में जाते हो या रियल वर्ल्ड में जाते हो, व्हेन यू स्टेप इनटू इट, आपको इतना चैलेंजेस और हर्डल नहीं आता है जॉब करने के लिए, बिकॉज आपने ऑलरेडी वो एक्सपीरियंस एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर करिकुलम यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन इन टू. सो दैट्स वॉट मेक्स UK education not just respected but also relevant and career focused.
Right.
One more thing which UK universities they help students into is they are highly international. Students meet different students from over 100 other countries. They attend global events, join clubs and work on international projects. So it's a great way to build friendships, networks and professional connections worldwide.